The Silliest Hat Parade. Once a year in Hattown, everyone wore the silliest hat they could find for the Silly Hat Parade. There were hats with flowers, hats with feathers, and even hats with fish bowls on top. Leo the lion decided he wanted to win the prize for the silliest hat this year. He crafted a hat shaped like a giant watermelon with a parade of tiny ants carrying it. When he strutted through the town square, everyone burst out laughing. But when Leo's hat accidentally tipped, a real watermelon fell out and splashed everyone nearby with juice. Instead of being upset, everyone laughed even harder, and Leo won the prize for the best splashy hat. From that day on, everyone made sure their hats had a funny surprise inside. Moral: sometimes the funniest surprises are the ones we don't expect.